Any card is selected by the spectator and they sign their card, their initials on the back. The card is placed back anyway inside the middle of the pack, right there. And we all know the trick when the magician actually makes a card appear back on top of the pack again. We're going to do something along those lines, watch. We're going to use the focus card. We place the focus card on top of the pack. Now remember, you can still see the bottom card and the top card can be seen at all times right through this hole. Watch. 1, 2, 3. And your card appears back right on top.